Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mask in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open Photoshop and load the image you want to work on. For example, I have these images and I'm going to add mask on them. Select the layer you wish to apply the mask to in the Layers panel. At first, choose Magic Wand and remove inside it. Press Ctrl plus J. Now click on this layer. Go to Select, choose Subject and press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Now right click on this layer and choose Clipping Mask. Okay, next click on this layer. Click Mask from here. To start using the mask, choose the brush tool from the toolbar and set your desired brush size, opacity and hardness. Select black as your foreground color if you want to hide parts of the image. Painting with black on the mask will hide areas of the layer, revealing the layers beneath. Choose to white as your foreground color to reveal parts of the image. Painting with white on the mask will show areas of the layer. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.